Let's eat, guys. We are so hungry.
Ito yung madali-dali natin na ulam, guys, no? Manok.
Chicken wings. That's why we eat in the middle of the road.
Yeah.
Go there and very far away place, distance place, guys. So because we don't have we English what minamahaw.
We don't eat breakfast yet.
We don't eat breakfast yet, guys. That's why we eat here at middle in the middle of this road. Look at the mountain, guys. There, that mountain. That's our destination. Very far away.
3 hours by riding a motorcycle to go there.
There's a horse coming, guys.
There's a horse coming that is running. Oh yeah.
Wow.
The horse is running.
Here in Philippines, guys, when you speak English and then your grammar was incorrect, they laugh at you. Yeah, they laugh at you and then they criticize you. The basis of intelligent was when you good enough to speak English and then you're smart. Yeah, that's their number one basis of intelligence. But according to my friend, he is what we call English people, makilala. I go there in the church and then I talk with my friend there. And then my English grammar was very what we call, there's wrong. Yeah, wrong, but they never criticize me. Oh, they said, yeah, oh, nah, like that. They understand.
They understand.
But here in Philippines, they laugh at you when your grammar was incorrect. Eating, guys, and
we are done, guys.
We're done, and then
we're going now.
Continue our travel. Going there at the very far away mountain.
Our time is 8 p.m. na ba dyan?
Yeah. It's 8 p.m. AM in the morning. And then when you go there, guys, your stress was gone because of the view and the nature was very beautiful.
Yeah, that's That's the reason why. That's the reason also, guys, that when I go there, I'm okay. So that's why, guys, I am okay there because of the natural beauty and the view is so beautiful. So now this is our motor and we go there. This is the view, guys.
That is the view of this place. Nindot po siya sa kanila.
Nindot po ba ya? We need to go there, guys. That's where we are. That's what we are there.
What's the view?
That is the view, and that kalsada is.
We've been here.
We've been there. We've been there, guys. Pala. We've been there before. Earlier. And now we are here in this area. Charot.
Here. That is 4 kilo.
It's very peaceful, guys. Mga yun din mga ka-stress na rin na ano dari ka tinawag ni tinawag yung bukit ayun mahal mo ito dari river dyan kung ay langgam guys ibon na lumagipad the thing that I realized here is that all the trees are still there. Still there. And still ano ba? Gantawan ninyo guys, dira guys. Ay, look. In that area guys. Yeah, dira oh. Wala yan, uling na rin ah. Wow! Wala view ka.
Video ka.
Ako ato oy.
Saan po kita ito?
Ito po kita ato nga langgam.
Ito.
Mukay.
Kusilo ang kanya na ito.
Nawa.
Wala. Gusto na ito lupad.
And two things that I realized here is the bird. The bird is so healthy. Busog, lusog. Busog, lusog guys. Grabe kanindot diri oy. Oh.
Kung ikdre po ta permentino mo.
That way guys is
Normal.
we can go there also there.
That way.
And that way we need to go there and another way again because the church is very far from the city from the kalsada from the kabiasnan ba. And look at that trees, still they're very good, very good.
Trees. There's so many trees out there.
So many trees out there. Today guys, we go to church. Church.
We go to church guys. Very far away. In the what we call crowd places.
Crowd places.
Very far away from the crowd places.
Look at that way guys. The thing is beautiful there is the daanan is cement. English na cement dyan.
Cement po.
Cement po. Wow, the water is there. Sagana din sila sa tubig diri ba no?
Unlimited water.
Oh, they also have unlimited water from the bundok. Grabe ka rin tubig diri eh. There's a was. It seems like this mountain is dagan kay kaning kuan. Abundant blessings from above. Uy, nagsugod ng bato-bato guys. Rough road. Where should we? Ano? Yung taagi na dyan? Huh?
We go here.
We go here in this area. If there's beauty, there's also. If there's the beauty is, you can see the. Even in your darkest days, there's still beauty like this mountain. Yeah. Oops. Nagbalhin na. Di pa sa alright. Davao del Sur pa rin to. Sa Sultan Kudarat, no? This place is still Davao del Sur. Now look at that river, guys. Wow. Ay, oh. Also, guys. All I can see is that. Wow. Natulay, guys, the bridge. Now this time is we are starting the rough road with all the stone, guys. Now we are silent. We are now the cement is here, so we are safe. Cement di ako ni. Ano ang motor doon? Motor nga pagbukid sud ba? Adi ka kaning sa mga kuan. Ha? Gani na nga na ba? Nga to na lang yung motor dyan, taas kay no? Taas kusog itong dagan. Hindi ito bang syudad? Pila po ito dyan. Kabuyay! Oh! That's interesting. Mawala sa tungkon. Gamit sitang magko. Nabasensya ano na. I'm sorry my hair, guys. But now kito kalindot gyapon. Even though this is the kuan, the most important thing is we can still see the beauty, guys. Ayun lang kung yung ganda mo. Ang nature, the nature is still beautiful. My brother is there. There's a lot of stone here, guys. Rock. Before we can go there in the church, this is what we need to before we can go to the church, guys. It's the way that we need to go on. We need to ambot. There's I think there's also a motor from there, guys. So I think this is the last na kuan. This is the last way that is difficult to they are doing their good job here, guys, because all they bring it all to go there. That's how beautiful. Na. Gabi jag kaling gatara na. Hi ko dad. So guys, after all the lapas yun. Oh, there. Baklay ko dari na. So this is our church here, guys.
Ngadto sa Malakias aduna siya 39 ka libro. Di mana ninyo lang. Kay karon bayaw ini ato na palibot sabat.
Sabat.
Pila ka libro ang Old Testament? Ang Old Testament ngadto usab sa Malakias. Sa New Testament gikan sa Mateo ngadto sa Revelation or pinadayag kang pinakalas nga libro sa pinadayag. Ang kada libro sa Biblia adunay 27 ka libro ug unya kung imong itotal na tanan pila tanan. Sunod ang pangutana. Unsa may ang purpose sa Biblia sa atong kinabuhi? Mao ni ang ato nga atay nga pagkatusan pero ang balang kasulatan nagsulti alang sa pagpanultid sa atong kinabuhi ingon. Oh, ikatulo, alang sa pagkamatuto. Kadimi bro no. Katuig magkaigsunan panahon sa COVID, diha gyud mi sa kanang compound sa Matutumbyo Academy uli amo makauban datong panahon na dili pa ko ingon nga tinuod nga dentista. Kining always kita nga naay time nga sa pagbasa sa Biblia mga pinangga na ko nga igsoon. Kaya wala may pastor. Sila man ang murag gitaasan nga mga dumala kung atong musika nawala na tinitanan pinilang mo laban batiin mo ang pagmamahal kita sa Diyos kumahal pag-abot sa katapusan sa Diyos kumahal pag-abot. Dili ba na to ako ta? Dili pa ito ng bulan. Kay ang ako hindi ko kabili namin ini order ba? Na? Ko kabili na nini mo. Na kay kapadala dia.
Okay.
Ah, bulawan.
Ito tayo ngayon sa Abiti. Kung saan isang napakagandang lugar dito guys. Ito talaga yung tunay na bukid na saan malamig po dito. Sobrang daming kabayo dito guys. Yan, kabayo. Ari. Kabayo doon din, kabayo. Ay, white na kabayo. Tapos ano. White. Tapos yung isa. Bayo no. Grabe ka rin dito guys, Jud. Ganun Jud kayo ko di ari nga lugar kay. Tugnaw tapos nagkaglanggam. Oh, maraming ibon. Unsa say? Ayo. Tangani mo og. Maya, worry, I need you. Guys, now we're going home.